recording.
Alright, y'all. Yep. You just missed it. Swain County. Wait, am I in? I'm sorry. I'm in Graham County. Graham County has a Goldwing pulled over about a half mile back. Remember, low speed limits are for your safety and revenue. Your safety and revenue. Since we all know this was a 55 miles an hour road, I'm thinking it's more about revenue. But they have to pay for this road somehow. If every tourist to the area, every motorcycle and every sports car pays $300, but if you know you can't come here and go a little bit over the speed limit and have a little bit of fun, are you going to come here and spend any money? Yeah, might as well go somewhere else. Whoa, it's a lot of gravel. I hope that grass grows on the edge of the road quick. Keep that road base in place. I hope they put one more coat of asphalt down. What's on here right now is good, but it's kind of bumpy. At least the potholes and stuff are fixed. Oh yeah, they're going. No. can't believe they waited. Alright, let's hope they're working to Fontana now. I haven't been up here in 2 weeks. One lane, road ahead. That's us. We're going to be sitting here in traffic. This is nice. Come on now. Come on. Come on. They didn't even put the gravel down on the edge yet. As much rain as we've had, this asphalt's got to be about perfect. Oh, this is nice. I don't care who you are, what you're thinking. This is nice. Got some rocks there. Golly, this road hasn't been this good in 15 years. This section right here was really bad. Now look at it. Wow, motorcycles. 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 Be prepared to stop in the name of love. Y'all, this is nice. Y'all, this is nice. I'm glad y'all are with me. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button now. For some reason it smells like fresh asphalt. This is nice. I hope Graham County continues this on into their section.